Hi there, welcome to the UkeStuff channel and welcome to this tutorial of the ukulele play-alongs of Down in the Valley that have been out on the Uke Play-alongs channel for 7 years when this tutorial is being made. I'm going through making sure that every play-along on the Uke Play-alongs channel has a GCEA version, a baritone DGBE version, a tutorial, and then also a chord chart or tab that goes along with it that can be found at UkeStuff.info. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the chords you need to play down in the valley on GCEA ukulele in the keys of C and D, and then also the chords you need to play down in the valley on baritone DGBE ukulele in the keys of C and D. And then I will also talk about strumming a little bit. If you want to support the work that I do on YouTube and in the ukulele world, there are 3 things you can do. First of all, you can like this video. Second, you can subscribe to both of my YouTube channels, the Uke Play-alongs channel and the UkeStuff channel. And third, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at www.buymeacoffee.com/UkeStuff. All right, let's begin with the chords you need to know to play the song Down in the Valley on GCEA ukulele. First of all, you'll need a C chord, and then you'll need a G7 chord. And those are the 2 chords you need to know how to play down in the valley on GCEA ukulele in the key of C. Now let's talk about the key of D. We're still on GCEA ukulele. Let's talk about the chords that you need to know to play down in the valley in the key of D on GCEA ukulele. First of all, you'll need the D chord. Now there are a number of ways to play the D chord. The chord chart itself in the play-along shows fingers 1, 2, and 3 in a row. That will work. I generally play the D chord by putting my first finger at the top of the 3rd string 2nd fret and 2 fingers around it. Some people will play it with fingers 2, 3, and 4 in a row. Some people will play it with 2 fingers. The first finger covers strings 4 and 3. The second finger covers string 2. And some people will bend their ring finger like that so that the first string is open. Whatever way works for you, just don't play it with your thumb. The other chord that you'll need is the A7 chord. It's a 1-finger chord. And those are the 2 chords you'll need to play down in the valley on GCEA ukulele in the key of D. Now let's talk about baritone ukulele. On baritone DGBE ukulele, let's talk about the chords you need to play down in the valley in the key of C. First I'll need the C chord, and then you'll need the G7 chord. And those are the 2 chords you'll need to play down in the valley on baritone DGBE ukulele in the key of C. Now let's talk about it in the key of D. So here I am on a baritone tuned ukulele. It's actually a concert ukulele. And now we're going to play down in the valley in the key of D. First of all, you'll need the D chord. And then you'll need the A7 chord. Now this is where you're going to need a bar chord. The first finger is going to cover all 4 strings right above the 2nd fret. So basically, if you're right in between the 1st and 2nd frets, you're pretty good. But if you can, be closer to the metal fret right above it if you can, and then pull against the fretboard this way. That's going to give you most of the sound you need. You can add your thumb for some light support, and then the 2nd finger plays the 1st string 3rd fret. And that's the A7 chord. So with just the D and A7 chord, that's all you need to know to play down in the valley on baritone DGBE ukulele in the key of D. Now let's talk about strumming. Now first and foremost, before we talk about strumming, please note that there was no ukulele in the original version of this song. So therefore, whatever you do, as long as it meets 3 general rules, you're good. So here are the 3 rules. Number 1, play the right chord at the right time. Number 2, keep a steady tempo or a steady beat. And number 3, make sure that whatever you are playing matches the general style of the music. If you're doing those things, you're good. There's not just one right answer. We're going to take a look at Down in the Valley in the key of C. And I'm just going to give you 2 ideas. If you want a simple strumming, it would be this. You'd be going down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Let me just demonstrate that a little bit for you. Down in the valley, valley so low, hang low. something like that. The other option I'll just give you is the idea that you can pick some things here. And you have some choices. You could actually do a strum and then a pick, or you could do a partial pick and then pick individual strings. I generally would fall in the second category. I use something that the late ukulele Mike Lynch taught on YouTube, and I've been using it ever since. I'm making the C chord here, but I pick strings 4, 2, and 1. I call that the claw, and I play those three at the same time, and then I can alternate whatever strings I want to play. And you can just play with a sequence that works for you. Strings 1, 2, 4, then 3, 2, 4, 1, 4, 2, 3, or any combination thereof. It'd be something like this. So I'm picking 1, 2, and 4 at every major chord change and every major beat, and then picking other notes. Generally it's or some variation of that. So really, there's not one single right answer. You can play around and see what works best for you. But with either that first strumming idea, down, down, up, down, up, down, or the strum and pick 3 and then play single strings, either one of those will work great for down in the valley. Thank you so much for joining me for this video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.